Hello and welcome to 605 Sports Cards. I want to thank you for joining me. As you know, Phoenix has come out, but I made one crucial mistake. When I was checking out, I did not realize I had clicked on the 2022 Phoenix. So this is a 2022 Phoenix Hobby Box. Still excited to open it. Did just do H2 boxes last year, but did not pay attention as I was checking out. And the boxes look very similar, just a different player on the front. So I do have a 2022 hobby box I will be opening. I don't believe Brock Purdy was in this product that I know of. So that's kind of a bummer when it comes to this. The prices were like identical. So yeah, that is a bummer. Depending on how this one goes, I may still grab a 2023 Phoenix. I do like Phoenix. It isn't the most sought after product, but I think they just make a really nice card, and I like them. So I might grab another one of 2023 this time. They're still on the Panini website because I'm recording this video, so might snag one there. Might check around on the other websites, see if anybody's got them a little cheaper, because I know you got to pay the taxes on Panini, where other people will include the taxes and the shipping, so you can maybe save $20-30 every now and then. Like DACA or Steel City, Sports Card Zone, there's plenty. So same setup, 2 autographs, 1 mem. Last year, I mean, there was some boxes that had crazy, like 2 1-of-1s. Hopefully this mistake I don't regret. I am a little nervous because last year's rookie class, if without Brock Purdy, is a little rough. But hey, 2022 Phoenix, didn't open it last year by mistake. We're ripping it now. So maybe looking for some of the vet autos. There's some good receivers. There's some good players, obviously, every year. So still something to chase. I think I like this 2022's year better design-wise. I think that it's a little cleaner on the veteran. The rookies I like, but the veteran on this one is definitely less going on. So I feel like it looks nice. So we're going to take our time. Like we have a lava or something coming up here. So there's our first rookie, Kennedy Brooks. And this looks like it's going to be Jonathan Taylor for our first, I'm guessing, numbered card, and a Devontae Adams. And these look the same, I think, pretty much every year. That is just the silver. A Jonathan Taylor out of 175. So our first numbered parallel. Good running back. Not a bad card. Yeah, when I opened the package, and I was like, what the heck? They sent me the wrong one. And I had to get back on and look at my purchase. And yeah, I did order a 2022 Phoenix. So you got to pay attention. Kind of an expensive oopsie, but still cool cards, fun product. I'm not too disappointed in ripping it. There's a nice James Cook rookie card. I wouldn't mind pulling some more of him, and a running back of Xavier Knight, and a Kenny Pickett on the rookie rising, who maybe didn't rise as high as you'd hoped. And the Xavier Knight is out of 199. So rookie running back for the Jets. Can't say I heard of him since then, so probably not a good sign. All right, 2 numbered parallels in. Yeah, still can't believe I made this oopsie. Hopefully it pays off and we don't just get destroyed here. Micah Parsons, Allen Robinson, Arlen Leviquette, and DJ Moore on the hot routes. And the contours, Josh Allen, hot routes. Does not look numbered. Looks very off-center as well. Good looking cards. Oh, there's the number, out of 75. So 12 of 75. And the contours is just the insert. The contours this year for 2023 definitely look much better Those ones are all right, nothing special, but very off-centered. DJ Moore. And his Panthers uni. Looks like you're probably getting about a numbered card per box or per pack. And we got Chase. I'll put a rookie in the wrong pile. There we go. Kyle Pitts, a rookie of a Bailey Zappi. And this is maybe Joe Burrow on a red. So that should be our numbered card, 2/250. 85 of 250. And Kyler Murray on the flamethrowers. I like this flamethrowers better than 2023's version. I don't know. It looks... the flames going right across the player in 2023 stuff. This doesn't look right. It looks broke up and not great. So some of the inserts better this year, some last year. Here we go. Matt Ryan, Roquan Smith, a rookie of Brian Cook. We have Kyle Phillips and Jahan Dotson on the hot routes. Kyle Phillips will be out of 225. So that must be a green. So did not hit on that short numbered parallel. Can't say I heard much of him with the Titans either. So 9 of 25, half of his jersey number. Jahan Dotson, not bad. It's a nice silver hot route. I'll sleeve him up after the video here. Sorry, just kind of taking my time. I want to enjoy this, my mess up here. Darren Waller, Dawson Knox. We have a Tyler Algier. And here's one of our autographs. Rookie, the Bills, or the Patriots. I mean, Jalen Widemeyer. And a silver Brian Robinson on the back there. And that is not numbered with a nice, I don't know if I can catch it. You can see the print line about right here on the back. Front looks pretty clean, but one autograph down. Rookie, not the greatest hit for sure. Gonna need something a little more than that. There we are. And not backwards. This one's thick. I don't know if you get an RPA guaranteed or if it's just a memorabilia card of some sort, which I don't like. Throw in another autograph or something. So DeAndre Hopkins. The only good thing about this is redemptions won't be expired, I don't think. We have Matt Corral, Garrett Wilson on the out of 125, not bad. And Tua on the flamethrowers, silver. It's a nice Garrett Wilson numbered. I think this is a sharp set. I don't know why it doesn't get the love of all the other stuff, but I think it's a good looking set. We'll just use Amari Cooper here to see what we got. I'm assuming upside down. Oh, it might just be a filler. So it's a really thick filler. Got tricked. And Matt Corral, who I don't believe is really doing anything. It might be in the CFL or UFL, which merged with the XFL, I believe now. All right, this one probably gonna be our hit. Stephon Diggs, Travis Kelce. We have our color burst of Michael Carter. So one of these per box. Throw them on a sleeve. And we have Daniel Bellinger here for a rookie. Flip it around. And this one is going to be our hit. Oh, looks like it is Treylon Burks for a patch card. 2 color. out of 99. So not a bad one. Rookie patch. Again, I'm not going to check if it's associated because I'm pretty sure it's not. I don't think they've done that for a couple years. And we'll find a fat top loader for it after the video. So there's our second hit. Should have one more autograph coming. There is one good thing, like I said, redemptions still good in this product, so you can still get the redemption, or they aren't going to be selling out very fast, so you might just get a replacement. Could be more cards. Eli Mitchell, Christian Harris, and Kyle Pitts on the back showing already. Stay here. And it is, hey, Tom Brady, who, again, can't have this year. Out of 150. Always take a numbered Brady, especially with him not being in any 2023 products. Very nice card there. Come on, find the hole, huh? Throw him in top loader right away. You can never go wrong pulling a nice Brady. All right, we got a few packs left. Still can't believe I ordered the wrong product, especially for the price point. So Lambjack, who's eliminated now out of the playoff. Christian McCaffrey, Pierre Strong. We got DJ Moore. And on the back, a Fireforge Roger Staubach. Looks like a silver. Cool card. I like those. And this is a 250. So no crazy cards. I mean that Tom Brady may be our best card, unfortunately. Still 2 packs to go, 1 autograph, still a chance to pull something nice. And here we go. This pack feels really thin. Jonathan Taylor, David Montgomery. We got, for the Broncos, I think you said a Peyton Manning Fire Forged. And on the back there, a Kenny Pickett on the contours, off-centered again, very light on the left side. And the Fire Forged out of 99, so that's a nice Peyton Manning. Not getting the rookies we're after, but a couple Hall of Famers there. And here's our last pack of Phoenix. If you stuck around this long, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, helps me out a ton if you subscribe. I have a lot of product in now. I'm going to be ripping away, doing videos. March Madness coming up in a month. So we're probably going to do something for the Super Bowl. Probably do like a giant pack opening of random stuff. So stay tuned for that. Josh Allen, Snoop Connor, Ryan Tannehill on the back. And our last card here looks to be a Saint Chris Olave. There we go, out of 299, not short print, but nice rookie card. Chris Olave patch auto. So one of the top receivers from that class. And my first Chris Olave auto, I believe. Not going to be disappointed in that. I'm going to have to slice this corner. Doesn't want to let it in there. And these thick cards are already so delicate when it comes to the corners. So there we go. Chris Olave on our final card. And these are pretty thick. I should have something for it here. That's a little too thick. We'll search for something that fits it better. But there we go. Protected up. Go through our hits here. Nothing to speak of for rookies besides this Chris Olave. Obviously, numbered numbered cards. Tom Brady here out of 150. And we got Peyton Manning at 99, a DJ Moore to 250. Got the Michael Carter color burst just because it's one per box. 125 Wilson, not a bad one there. Kyle Phillips at 25. Burrow. So some good veterans. And that one was like the 250. A DJ Moore to 75. Zonovan Knight to 199. And Jonathan Taylor to 175 on the lava parallel with our second autograph. Jalen Widemere and a Treylon Burks patch. So that'll do it for this box of Phoenix. I may grab the 2023 version. We'll see. Try to correct that mistake. But that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.